Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Bese Eka Mardana Putri dari Prodi Teknik Informatika NIM 2211-2023. Di sini saya akan membacakan implementation of open and closed method numerically and nonlinear equation solution convergence test. Yaitu dari abstract, nonlinear equation are one of the study in mathematics. Root sort in complex nonlinear equation can be solved by numerical methods. Many methods to solve the equation. Therefore, the purpose of this research is to conduct simulation of closed and open methods such as Newton-Raphson method, scan method, regulation fallacy, fixed point, and bisection. This is done as a form of comparative research to see the query number of iteration and errors of each method in resolving. The nonlinear equation, as for the case being resolved, is the roots of the exponential equation, trigonometry, logarithm, and polynomial degrees of 3. The results of this study resulted in different levels of convergence in resolving each case. Masuk bagian introduction. The nonlinear equation of the system is a collection of interconnected nonlinear disputes that amounts to more than one equation. Visconti and Franca 2015. There are a number of proposed functions in nonlinear equation that cannot be resolved analytic but can be solved by specific methods for solving problems in nonlinear equation. Solution of nonlinear equation in basic arithmetic in computer science is the starting point and number of iteration is a recurrent process until an answer is found. The usual iteration technique are used to find the roots of equation system solution of linear and nonlinear equation and differential equation solution. The determination of the root equation for simple nonlinear function can be easily solved by analytical method or exact method, e.g. for a quadratic ax quadrat plus b plus bx plus c sama dengan u can be solved using the ABC formula or by factoring method. For functions that are non-simple or complex, for example, the function x min a min x or xa min x plus 1 0, at a glance it seems simple, but in terms of the solve a nonlinear equation is a method of recursive research, so the result obtained will contain error, and the calculation process is long and exhausting, especially if done manual. The number solution obtained in a numerical method is a solution that approaches the actual or solution approach. The expected outcome of the study was to know the convergence comparison in the complex of the nonlinear equation system with Newton-Raphson, scan, regulation fallacy, fixed point, and bisection methods using MATLAB application. B. Methods. In the study, research used 5 methods, namely Newton-Raphson, scan, regulation fallacy, fixed point, and bisection. It can be said the 5 methods have the same solution algorithm, only different formula. The steps taken to complete the simulation are: simulation are develop its methods programming algorithm to develop computer algorithm for each method. 3. Draw the starting point of each nonlinear equation. 4. Determine the starting point of each method. 5. Perform computing simulation with the help of MATLAB app. 6. Observe each method of the simulation result consisting of the number of iteration, the root value found. And 7. perform interpretation of simulated result. And C, look a picture and then figure 1, 2, and 3 and 4. See result and discussion. Research are using 4 questions of linear equation consisting of exponential trigonometry, logarithm, and polynomial equation based on the step that have been done or the chart result of each equation according to figure 1, 2, and 4, 3 and 4 below. Based on figure 1, obtain a starting point x0, x1, mean x 52 and x2 minus 148 for cases of exponential equation. Figure 2 for in case of polynomial degree 3 option, obtain x1 minus 2 352 and x2 2 minus 235 2 Figure 3 for trigonometric cases was obtain x1 and the last figure 4 graph a polynomial function. Table 1, formula and script computation of each method. Method neutralization and formula xe plus 1 xe minus fxe and fxe x2 squared x2 x1 minus pfal and second method x1 e plus 1 and xe minus scriptnya x3 and x2 minus and then okay, next methods regulation policy x1 plus xe plus 1 and x1 plus x1 minus fxe xe minus xe plus x minus 1 and fxe minus f minus f xe minus 1 and script x3 x1 minus cx2 minus x1 and then methods fixes point x mid x1 xe plus xe plus 1 and 2 and script x2 pfal g x1 dissection xn g xn plus 1 iter 0 xm1 and then as for the simulation result as for table 2, table 3, table 4 and table 5 follows. Number 1 interruption method iterationnya 4 x1 nya minus 1 2200 and then fx1 minus 0006817 error 00019 4 and scan method scan ada iteration 7 itu xe nya minus 1 2020 01 and fx1 minus 001979 and error 0098 3 regulasi palsi ada iteration 8 minus 0 minus 1 2020 0 and fx and fx minus 0 00 13 x1 and error 000 57 for 3.5 00 2020 and fx1 14 0616 and error 00013 and bisection iteration 9 1 48 and fx1 minus 14 5666969 and error 0052. Table 3 trigonometry equation simulation result. Terus yang tadi ada tabel 2 exponential equation simulation result. Ada juga dari 1 sampai 5 sama seperti di atas, yaitu method interruption, iterasinya 3, scan-nya 3, regular value-nya 3, fixed point-nya 50, fixation 9, x1-nya ada 0,66 yang angka terakhirnya 4, sedangkan fx1-nya kosong semua dan error-nya ada 0 yang terakhirnya ada 1, scan-nya 3, untuk x1-nya ada 2618, terakhirnya 600, terus f1-nya terakhirnya angkanya 04 dan errornya 03, regulasi falsi sekian, dari fx-nya 70 dan errornya 16, fixed point 50 sekian dan seterusnya. Dissection-nya juga errornya didapatkan dengan 745. Terus ada tabel 4 logarithm equation simulation results. Ada sama seperti di atas, dari new interaction iteration-nya 54, dari x1-nya 8,053 6569, fx-nya ada 628 3476, errornya 1,00, angka terakhirnya 47. Sedangkan scan iteration-nya 50, x1-nya minus 571, angka terakhirnya 84. Sedangkan fx1-nya ada 09782, terus errornya 1,95940. Terus ada regulasi falsi, iterasinya 50, terus x1-nya minus 572, fx1-nya 30 10233 dan errornya 95941. Oke, fixed point-nya ada 12, iteration-nya angka terakhirnya 8359, fx1-nya 7310981, errornya 00 hingga 6, dan dissection-nya iteration-nya 4 minus 2 3501, dissection ada 4 minus 2 351250, fx1-nya 150766 dan errornya 0005. Terus ada tabel 5 polynomial equation simulation results. Ada nomor methods-nya new interruption, iteration-nya 2, x1-nya minus 160869, fx-nya ada 3, errornya 6, scan-nya 2, iteration-nya, terus x1-nya 68679, fx-nya 254, terus errornya 473 dan seterusnya. Di sini ada exponential equation dari fixed, bisection, regulasi falsi, new interruption, dan scan. Terus yang nomor 2 trigonometry equation, new interruption, scan, regulasi falsi, bisection, fixed point. Terus nomor 3 logarithm equation dari bisection, fixed point, new interruption, scan, regulasi falsi. Dan yang terakhir ada polynomial equation, regulasi falsi, scan, fixed point, new interruption, bisection, conclusion, and advice. The conclusion that the most excellent method to solve the exponential nonlinear equation is the fixed point method, the resolve nonlinear trigonometric equation if the new interruption method, because it the most rapid level of conversion among the 5 methods. The most excellent method solving the nonlinear logarithmic equation is the bisection method. It has the most rapid level, the most excellent method of resolving a polynomial equation, and suggestion for subsequent research should developed in case of the nonlinear exponential equation, trigonometry, logarithmic, and the polynomial with different of more complicated case, and also be applied to the case of linear equation. Baiklah, sekian dari presentasi saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.